Alright, here's the script. Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to change your sound output to an external monitor on your Mac. It's super easy. First things first, you need to connect your external monitor to your MacBook. I've got my external display hooked up with a USB-C Thunderbolt 4 cable. Once you've plugged it in, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then go to System Settings. Inside System Settings, find the Sound tab. This will open up all of your Mac's sound settings. Now we want to focus on the input and output options. To change the output device to your external monitor, make sure you're on the Output tab, and then simply select the external monitor that's connected to your Mac. In my case, it's the Odyssey G85 SB. Now I have noticed sometimes this can be a little buggy, so if you run into any glitches or problems, just restart your MacBook and reconnect your monitor. That usually fixes everything. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. All the links mentioned are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel and tech tips. See you in the next one.